Ebusuafo memo bibia kwaba deba GCN page so munuaba adwoa searching me na mede dwumedi we ebrel mesro so be subscribe to my channel na do nsa emia be on so obe notification ensem ekoso wo memu bia obenye bia tie anase obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha omo ye adwuma ewo Angel FM na omo abose omo edide na omo nsem omo kan na se atamfo ani ewu na eye workers omo Angel FM omo reaction no ni na efa eye Kumase GRA a omo abo eye Dr. Kwaku Otenabaso Kwaku Otenabaso say ono na otua tax pa ewo Ashanti region a chese aye asemda and you be react to it. Na de nti a eye omo da omo kasa atamfo ani ewu na ne se eye Captain Smart no ye dwuma ewo Angel FM a okoka asem efa eye galamse hu sensem a Dr. Kwaku Otenabaso suspension na ne suspension no na Captain Smart ona kasa koti ni TV and the chese in ebufu kurante and nsem no maso boom 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 o chese radio station se wo Ghana ha no me find to tax na ade a just okaka ekwa ne bi ekoka Angel TV Angel FM sorry na manfo ba out say Captain Smart ade a wo ye enye bebia wa ye adwuma didi ho dade se wo ni nipa ni asem kura secret bia say ewo mu ntem bia wo keep yes wo de ba out na manfo ebeke kan sense dade a na ede eye GRA for omo board Dr. Kwaku Otenabaso say Ashanti region ono na otua tax no eya sebe ya sem de papa nti omo ye adwuma ewo Angel FM omo abose edide na eno na omo ka ho asem ewo Angel FM a workers no omo ebose na yentie ensem omo de etudwa
GRA eno omo kyerese Asante Mantem wambo modern ehwehwe omo kratem a omo etu atwo ne ade nyina no adwumakuo ba ko pa wo bon ho modern a efibia ani ne ho eye NG group of companies NG group of companies must have been one more some NG group more bio so it is say it is say
doctor
the best excise taxpayer
look at the man
Ashanti region
look at the man
now oma aye plague come ede amana so na ekweso no plague na
me akwa me sendada me send
apia ho hye
no me nya ho hye look at no what the hwe mafuna doctor fu me say no afeheliti no hwe ne cat no me say no
anti the cat ni bi
na me ye no
na plague way Ashanti area head Emma Ghana Revenue Authority Owura Samuel Sechibedu and the founder and president NG group of companies Dr. Kwaku Otenabaso ejapa de pasha brese for the onyame eshrano na ensema matwa gusu nyina ne say this is in recognition of your performance as the best excise taxpayer 2020 year of assessment for the Ashanti area of the Ghana Revenue Authority. Congratulations. Musama bio.
Esambanu kwa Dr. Pian Cancer, one kwa 1 billion. Apia
one can say about me.
Esambanu kwa 1 billion.
So
yeah.
Now, NG group of companies in Canada, so when any Jumekua, why and no maybe to say, I don't covetous. I don't call next level energy drink and no energy, so in Piamon call. NG cream,
I
NG soap,
and a school to come home.
Oh, just say you may come a and will be. Now, we're the chance, and only who do I know. Yet the BB by a near front, a excise tax stamp. And no, my young me, dear, you know, now a be a go. Na sa tax stamp na ba say no ma ya no no ya nye ho tax na e ma bebre bi afefo mu nufo ho so e ma ne bi kra de bo mu nufo so no say drinkable
tencho omo kro omo bo mu nsam mpacho omo nko machi kakra omo kra omo bo mu nsam dia ma doctor omo machi ni
okay
Owura Samuel Sechibedu na ebo na nsam ade e ma Dr. Kwaku Otenabaso na omo chema omo hyeda ehwehwe no ma ode ba nyina ho sa excise tax stamp no ebo wade ho na che se uyo mamba pa enti wade ne dudu nyina no wamtumi ame akan etua hoto enti ade bo ho pena che se watua anase waye crowd monka no dudu nyina na mentua sa na kire se watua anase monka no dudu nyina na mentua sa bra na de sa excise tax stamp no yade ebo wano ne ho na ebra yewura Samuel Sechibedu penikeso da GRA no e wa Asante Mantem de abasobo ema no wo kire se de Dr.
different. Gan we yachuma. Mama can chamo. No journalists do like Casme FM and Shila FM other radio stations. TV3. I follow the good people. TV3, some programs be on where talented kids, they are trying to change the future of regeneration. Yeah, yeah, but yeah, let me what talent and they are trying to change our life. Now when you're journalists, no about now. But I go to a coffee to make a sa. Was so no coffee to make a sama, yeah, a copy you my young copy you ma. Near Joe Bride. What be say or no the coffee to make and I'm social media. Say or no make you ma me for police or me for soldier juma or me for migration into all charge. Na coffee to make one once. Na journalists for 2-1. Na me penyan some year free back trim. Aka say esa abandon in nurse form. Na sa anu ma no ye twam. Anasa sa anu ma no esutwa. Eno ne friends ye fisikana. Journalists na oche wan ebere anu a. Think ono wa osa opportunity na. Ni offer asibiti fie. Oni adwuma ye. Etiko no ena obepia na offer sana na amana kosem kane. Ansa na wo kra na o ti social media say o pe adwuma. Enu nti wu ba be trescan. Oberi kan na busuafo na kọ. Ehime rough na mse wo ya kwase ampanyin. Me kire no bete wa hu. Awu adwena wo de te wo. We wa friend no journalist. Sa atwene na wo Ghana from utrim. Ti na me se pesame kuminya. Enu na ama social media no journalist for no munni modwuma no. Because akufo ba no wa nya sika. Akufo ba no wa hu de wo ye. Won teacher ma wunya bi. Enu nti Wontimi ehunu de esa woka aye akufaro no mapa. Wontimi hu de esa woka aye akufaro no mapa e change the life of Ghanaians. Eno ani bosia na okoje no na ye wahi na abetwa na odi na tem na odome no. Masa wonka hunu se wiase na ye wo no. Anu edidi nchini di mako. Sa anu na edi hira wo. Enti se wontumi akufado a sa wo wuje journalist. Na sa wo wache ka prefro bi wanya no ntua wo kawate. So we are journalists, not Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand Twi, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you were schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying. Your father was a president. J.J. Rollins is my hero. Due to what? Edientra. J.J. no you kwanya. Wo you kwan papa. Onhwe ma hu nkwase kwan. Eno kwa de na mani che ho. Enso na na do kwan a ogu no eyesin J.J. de. So let me go there to the point. Zinata, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industrials which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If he was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Did your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital, healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, papa, time near the Kabi, and Yakan and Echo from. In Yakaya fro, and no air Juma air trotro. Senator, your father time in Yakan and air fro, edico school. Nako 4 by ever 2 papa, and what the buses, metro buses, Eban ya fro ye, and a Ghana for the boardia go metro massing, and ye say no. And to Ghana to Memphis, Ghana for no season, ye problem. Kofoba Fessiano, Senator papa. Edia dia satam no ana o akofo baaye And no ma ko 4 year o papa wontimi anya bi. O kwa sasa ka utwani ndisi kra. Esa ka